Okay, now we see how we can manage variables. Okay, what are variables and how we manage them. Okay, so I create a file. Okay, right click, file, and I save it as variables1.php, and I save it in C, XM and htdocs and tutor and variables.php. Okay, I copy the variables.php, this variables.php, I copy all this file. Okay, copy this file, right click, copy, and I paste here. I change the file, I change this file to, I remove this all. Okay, this text inside the div. Okay, inside the right div, this is right div, and home I change it to variables. Okay, now in PHP I write PHP this statement, and I just remove these statements. Okay, this is the code block for web server to process. Okay, now I write a $a is equal to empty, semicolon. This is a statement. It says that this is a variable and right side will decide what is the type of the variable. Okay, the type of the variable is string because this is double quotes. Okay, I write string variable. Okay, this is string variable. String is combination of characters. I write echo and I write $a. Okay, this is a string variable. File, save, and I go to browser. I write inside the tutor we have variables 1.php. Okay, variables 1.php. This is string variable. Echo $a is string variable. Okay, now I change it. Another variable $b is equal to 1. Right side will determine. This is an integer variable. B is integer. So I printed echo br. Okay, in the new line, and $a. Okay, I print $b, simple $b. Okay, this is $b. I save it and I go to the file and I press variables 1. This is 1. I write this to 1000. Save it and I see the output. This is 1000. Now there should be a br. Echo br. Okay, br. Then again in the new line there should be a new line. I can write -n, but this br is okay. Okay, now $a, $c is equal to 3.14 pi value. This is floating point number because right side this is some floating point number, So with the dot, and I write echo $c, and I print it and I refresh the browser. This is 1000 in the B and 3.14 in the C. Okay, I write it pi. Okay, this variable should be pi, and I change it, the echo statement, to pi. Okay, this is pi value. Okay, right? Now I write another variable dollar character ch. Ch is equal to a. Character ch is equal to a. Okay, now I save it and I see the output. Okay, there is no output statement. I have to write echo $C. Okay, and this is now, you see, notice undefined variable c on line 130. Okay, this is c, this is, there is no c. Okay, so variable name is ch. Okay, so this is a. Again I have to put echo br, echo br. Okay, now you see, this is a. Okay, with the single quote it is a character, it is 1 byte. With the double quote it is combination of characters. Okay, so right side will determine the type of the variable. This is character variable, this is pi is floating point number, this is integer value, this is string value, this is character value. Okay, now this is all about, we can make some, for example, we have a calculator, we have to add it, add something, dollar a is equal to 10, dollar b is equal to 20, and dollar c is equal to dollar a plus dollar b, plus dollar b. Okay, right? And I write echo dollar c. Okay, print dollar c, and I have to put br after this, echo and br. Okay, and terminates with semicolon. Every statement terminates with semicolon. You see 30, the value. So this is addition. This is addition. Add two variables, put the 10 in a variable, put 20 in b variable, and add them and put in c and print the c. Now I write echo, I write dollar c is equal to dollar a minus dollar b. This time same variable values, but dollar c will hold minus value. Okay, this time I will change it to dr here, not two statements but with a dot, dollar c. Okay, so this is one statement. So I can write echo br semicolon and then write echo c or br in double quotes and dot dollar c. It will concatenate, join these two. This is integer and this is string. To join them, dot variable. Okay, dot is used. So this is minus 10. Okay, 20 minus 10 is 10. So I have dollar c is equal to dollar a multiplied by dollar b. Okay, okay. Now and echo the value, echo dr dot dollar c. Okay, you see 200, 20 multiplied by this. Now I write dollar c is equal to dollar a divided by dollar b, and this will be echo br dot dollar c. Okay, and now this is 0.5. Okay, and I write remainder. What about the remainder? Dollar c is equal to dollar a remainder dollar b, and I write echo br and dot dollar c. So we can add, minus, multiply, divide. So this is 10. Okay, remainder is 10. Remainder, this is percent sign is remainder, this is divide, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Okay, I can write